Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sir, tell me your name.
My name is Ibrahim Al-Muazzam.
From where?
From Nigeria, West Africa.
Okay, sir, you?
Muhammad Munzali Zakari.
From where?
From Nigeria, Kano.
Why are you here? What is the mean?
We're visiting Lahore for this expo to explore more technology, more experiences, and more farming sector things.
Actually, this is my first time to Pakistan, and I'm lucky to be in Lahore. On the go, we understand there is expo going on. Then we decided to extend our stay to participate in the expo to establish a relationship between Nigeria and Pakistan.
And what about your response?
The Lahore people, they are very humble, they are very good, they are very okay. From what I'm hearing on the media, I come and meet it contrary, because I see Pakistan very peaceful, unlike what we are receiving information from.
We are very humble, we are very loving. And what about you?
Alhamdulillah, my perspective of Lahore and Pakistan is excellent, and I saw a lot of opportunity. I can call it Pakistan is endless opportunities.
Did you find any type of, misbehave here?
No. But they are very quiet and very humble, very hospitality peoples.
And is it your first visit here?
Several times since 2010.
Yours first.
I'm just first visit, and definitely I love the people. I love the people.
Have
I
any
like
machine?
Yeah, we visit this site, and we are going to Hall 2 for the machineries. Yes, we see the crops, we see the seed, we see the fertilizers, everything. We see the technology even. They are really trying, and they are developing. They are coming up. It is very good, and inshallah, it will be a good relationship with Nigeria.
Any message for Pakistan?
Yeah, I can say Pakistan Zindabad.
And what about you?
Pakistan is in the age, and we're hoping by 2030 Pakistan will be one of the greatest countries. Yeah, sure. Now there's a peace and tranquility. My message to Pakistan is just good luck and wishing all the best.
All right, thank you so much. जी, जैसा कि आपने देखा कि नाइजीरिया से यहाँ पे लोग आए हैं, इनका यहाँ पे आने से पहले रिस्पांस बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था। एक जो थे वो काफ़ी दफ़ा आ चुके हैं, जो सेकंड वन वो पहली दफ़ा आए हैं, उनका रिस्पांस जो मीडिया दिखाती है पाकिस्तानियों के हवाले से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था। वो कह रहे हैं कि जो मीडिया दिखाते हैं पाकिस्तानी वैसे नहीं है, ये बहुत लविंग है, बहुत केयरिंग है, और अभी तक उनका रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा है। पहले विजिट पर ही देखिए उन्होंने कह दिया है पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, तो इससे बड़ी हमारे लिए कोई बात नहीं अप्रिसिएशन के लिए। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।